Welcome back, everyone. You may be getting this try again later error on Instagram, on any iPhone, Android, whatever it is. Now, this is a very common issue, and I've been pretty much having this issue over time. And what this means is pretty much your Instagram application may actually temporarily be down. So you really don't have any control over this, which is the sad thing. Most of the time, Instagram will go ahead and just randomly go down. And at this point, all you have to do is pretty much just wait until they fix it. So what I would recommend doing is actually making your way over to the comment section of this video, leaving a comment and sorting the comments by the latest comments. And if a lot of people are commenting at the same time, including you, and saying, hey, Instagram's down, anyone else here? That pretty much means Instagram is down and there's nothing you can do to pretty much fix it. You have to wait till Instagram fixes that problem. Now, let's say you go in the comment section and nobody's commenting. You may also try to go to a website like downdetector.com. You may also want to go to a website like downdetector.com, which you can search on Google, and it'll go ahead and tell you what websites are down, which websites are up. And you can see Verizon is all over the place, T-Mobile and AT&T are all over the place. And if Instagram tells you it's down, then you can rest assured that it's probably just an issue with Instagram and you have to wait it out. Now, let's say it's not. Well, what I would recommend doing is making your way over to your app store like this and clicking on update on your Instagram application. So search up Instagram just like right here. You want to go and click install or update, and that should probably fix the issue as well. That's another option. You may also want to go ahead and make sure that you're not doing a lot of bot-like activities. So if you're following a lot of people, if you're commenting on a lot of people's posts at one time, and you're like, hey, follow me, follow for follow, different things like that, Instagram may assume you're a bot too. And there's another quick way to actually go ahead and pretty much get your account, you could even get your account banned if you do that. But if you ever get those try again later errors, that's pretty much the fastest way you can go and get there, is if you're acting like a bot. So by doing that, all you want to do is pretty much just limit your bot-like activities, don't act like a bot, and then you should be able to be good for the most part. If you're still having issues, you can restart your phone. You can also try connecting to another Wi-Fi connection. You can try using a VPN, or you could also just, try updating your device and see if that works too. So that pretty much covers it up. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.